Okay, and next we're going to jump right into Unit 10, and that is aircraft performance. We're going to click into here, hit play, and for this, what we're going to be talking about is air density. And I'm looking down at my notes if you're wondering, that's what I'm looking at. Air density, airfoils, takeoff, climb, and
The
cruise
heat ripples off the
performance.
tarmac as you prepare for departure. Your aircraft is fully loaded, and the thin air of this high elevation strip means your engine will not breathe as easily as it does at sea level. This is where the science of performance begins. To fly safely, you must treat your aircraft's design, weight, and the local weather as fixed parts of a critical equation. In this unit, we move beyond guesswork to master the effects of configuration and density altitude. You will learn the exact calculation methods needed to predict how your plane will behave during takeoff, climb, cruise, and landing. Understanding these variables is your primary tool for operating efficiently and keeping every arrival and departure well within the margins of safety.
That's right. You're going to learn everything about how the performance and how it's affected by the atmospheric conditions. And then we're going to roll right into Unit 11. And in Unit 11, we're going to talk about weather theory. I'm going to click right under here. So this is going to be a pretty complex one that we're going to crack into here. You're talking about the atmospheric pressure, the clouds.
Back in '84, I was hauling a twin Cessna out of Wichita heading east. The forecast looked like a Sunday picnic, just a few scattered clouds. I was young, cocky, and figured a little humidity never hurt anyone. About an hour in, the sky started turning a shade of bruised purple I had never seen before. I had not really looked at the lapse rate or the moisture aloft. I just checked the icons on a printed sheet and throttled up. Suddenly,
Yikes.
those scattered clouds turned into a wall of granite. The turbulence did not just give me a bumpy ride, it tossed that Cessna like a tin can in a dryer. I was fighting the yoke just to keep the blue side up while the rain sounded like a machine gun against the windscreen. I managed to divert to a dirt strip in the middle of nowhere, shaking so hard I could barely pull the mixture to idle. That day taught me that being pilot in command means more than just reading a weather brief. It means understanding the why behind the clouds. If I had known the theory back then, I would have seen the signs of that squall line building hours before I took off. We are going to make sure you have that foundation, so you are never caught guessing when the sky starts changing colors.
Yeah, that's never anything that you're going to want to guess on. You're never going to want to guess on why the clouds look like that. You're going to want to learn the why behind the clouds.